In this video, we're diving into how to use Zendrop and a few other tools to find trending products that actually sell. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter, more profitable online stores. Now, if you've ever sat staring at your screen wondering what product should I sell next, then you're not alone. Product research can feel like guessing which lottery ticket might win. You scroll through TikTok, you check Amazon, you look at your competitors' stores, and somehow it still feels like throwing darts blindfolded. The good news is Zendrop isn't just for fulfillment or shipping. It actually gives you a ton of data that you can use to spot what's trending before everyone else. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Zendrop's product catalog, their trending tools, and a few outside research tricks to validate what's worth selling and what's better left behind. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot winning products faster and with way less guesswork. Why product research matters. All right, let's start with the why here. There's a reason that product research is talked about so much in e-commerce, because it's literally the difference between a store that makes a few bucks and one that makes consistent income month after month. When you skip research and you just pick something that looks cool, you're basically gambling. You might get lucky once, but you'll burn money fast chasing every new fad that pops up on TikTok. Proper research helps you do three things. Identify demand, so you can tell if people actually want what you're about to sell. Gauge competition, so you can see who else is selling it and how they're positioning it. Predict profitability, so you can estimate your costs, shipping times, and margins before launching. You're not just guessing, you're stacking the odds in your favor. The sweet spot is finding products that solve a problem, offer something unique, and have room for branding or creative marketing. And that's exactly where Zendrop's tools come in handy. Getting started with Zendrop. So if you're not familiar, Zendrop is a dropshipping and fulfillment platform that integrates with Shopify, WooCommerce, and other e-commerce systems. What sets Zendrop apart from older dropshipping platforms like AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping is that it's actually built with North American sellers in mind. That means faster shipping, higher quality suppliers, and features that help your store feel more branded and trustworthy. You'll find a huge catalog of products across categories like beauty, home, pets, and tech. You'll have private labeling and custom packaging options for brand consistency. You get automated fulfillment, so you're not placing orders manually every day. And most importantly, a trending products tab, which highlights what's currently selling well across the Zendrop ecosystem. That last feature is gold for product research. But before you dive into trending items, it's smart to get familiar with how the catalog works. Browsing the catalog the smart way. So if you're not already a Zendrop member, then you can go ahead and get started with the link down below in the description. It's going to bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and get started, and you can get 50% off your first month. So your first month, instead of being $79.99, it's $39.99. You also get an e-commerce course, so you know exactly what to do, automatic fulfillment for hands-free deliveries, and live weekly coaching for expert help. So just use the link down below in the description to get started. Now, once you're logged into your Zendrop dashboard, we're going to head straight to the product catalog. So here's the first mistake that most beginners make. They type in super broad searches like clothing or electronics. That's way too vague. You'll end up scrolling through hundreds of unrelated items. Instead, search with intent. Use specific keywords like LED dog collar, wireless car vacuum, or posture corrector. These more detailed terms will help you find items that are easier to research and market later on. So here's a good rule of thumb. If you can imagine a very specific audience for it, it's worth researching. For example, home decor is way too broad, but something like minimalist LED nightlight gives you something with personality, something you can brand. When you find a few items that catch your eye, save them to your favorites or add them to your product list so you can dig deeper later. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll come to find products here on the left-hand side. We'll go ahead and type in that minimalist LED nightlight, and here we can go ahead and see a bunch of different options. Filtering your results. Zendrop gives you filters for things like shipping origin, category, supplier rating, and price range. These filters are your best friend because not all suppliers or shipping locations are created equally. So here's how to use them effectively. 1. Ships from. Always check where the item ships from. Zendrop offers suppliers from the US, China, and other regions. If most of your customers are in the US, filtering for ships from the United States will help you deliver faster. often in as little as 3 to 7 days. That alone can set you apart because long shipping times are one of the biggest reasons that customers don't buy from dropshipping stores. So right here, we can go ahead and this ships from, and we can go ahead and select US. Now, one thing to keep in mind is you'll typically see the costs increase significantly when you go from all or just China to just the US. And here you can see the options changed, and apparently these ceramic lights of birds are super popular for this keyword and for something that ships from the US. Number 2, category. Stick to categories that you actually understand. If you're a fitness enthusiast, then sell something fitness related. If you love home organization, focus there. Knowing your niche means you'll have a better sense of what will actually excite customers, and you'll write better product descriptions and ads. 3, supplier ratings. Not all suppliers are equal. A supplier with a 4.9 rating and solid communication will save you many headaches compared to a 3.8 star one that ships late or ignores messages. Read a few reviews, check delivery estimates, and go with suppliers that seem stable. 4, price range. Don't just look at the cheapest option. Cheap usually means poor quality, which leads to refunds and bad reviews. Instead, pick something that sits in a comfortable middle range. High enough to allow for quality, but low enough to keep a good margin. If your product costs $10 to $15 on Zendrop, then aim to sell it for $29 to $39. That gives you room for ad spend, transaction fees, and profit. Using the trending products tab. Now, here's where things get interesting. Zendrop's trending products tab shows what's currently performing well on their platform. Think of it as a sneak peek into what's hot right now across thousands of online stores. Each product includes order volume, average rating, and price, all really useful for spotting momentum. But here's where most people mess up. They just copy what's trending without asking why it's trending. Take the time to figure out why something is gaining traction. Is it seasonal? Did it go viral on TikTok? Is it solving a new problem that people are suddenly aware of? For example, a heatless curling rod might trend because influencers are showcasing it as a safer alternative to traditional curling irons. Or maybe a reusable lint roller is trending because people are shifting toward eco-friendly products. Understanding why the trend exists helps you predict whether it's here to stay, or if it's just a quick fad that'll die out in 2 weeks. Okay, and if we come over here and we go ahead and click on trending products, we're brought to the trending products tab here. So we can start to scroll through here and see things that are working really well and selling. So let's take a look at this blanket, for example. We can go ahead and click through the different pictures here, and we can see that it costs $2.49. So if we go ahead and click on this product, we can come in here, see some different variants. Looks like they got some different size ones, the product cost, what the shipping costs, and then the total cost for this item. So right here it's saying average shipping time is 8 days. So, again, if your costs are about $12 to $15, like we talked about, you'd want to price this at somewhere between $29 and $39 at least. Evaluating product potential. Now, once something catches your eye, don't just import it into your store. You need to test whether it actually has long-term potential. So let's break that down. 1, does it solve a problem? Problem-solving products are evergreen. They keep selling because they keep making life easier. Think of things like a neck posture corrector for office workers, or a spice jar organizer for kitchens. These aren't just cool items. They fix everyday annoyances. When you identify the pain point that your product solves, it becomes easier to write ad copy and market it effectively. 2, does it have unique or improved features? If it does and other sellers are already offering the same thing, you'll need a reason for people to choose yours. Maybe your version has better materials, an updated design, or it includes an extra bonus item. Sometimes the differentiation is in your branding, better photos, packaging, or a stronger value story. 3, competitive analysis. Search the same product on Amazon or eBay. Look at customer reviews. What are people complaining about? If 80% of the reviews mention that the product breaks easily and you can find a higher quality version on Zendrop, there's your opportunity. You can literally position your marketing around that difference. Unlike cheaper versions that break in a week, ours is made with reinforced materials. 4, profit margin. You always want to know your numbers, so check the product cost, add in shipping, transaction fees, and ad costs, and see what you're left with. For example, if an item costs $12, shipping adds $3, and ads cost $10 per sale, you'll want to sell it for at least $35 to make it worthwhile. Low margins make scaling nearly impossible, so aim for products that can comfortably sell for 2.5 to 3 times your total cost. 5, social proof. Finally, go check platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube for product demos. See if people are genuinely excited. If there's real buzz, videos with hundreds of comments of people saying, "Where can I buy this?" that's a solid sign. But if every video looks staged, engaged and engagement is low, it might not translate into real demand. Supplementing Zendrop with external research. So Zendrop gives you a solid starting point, but the best sellers always cross-check their ideas. Here are a few external tools to validate trends. Amazon and eBay. Go to the bestseller list on Amazon or eBay. These pages are pure gold because they reflect what's moving right now in real markets. If you see an item ranking high for weeks or months, that's a stable product, not a passing trend. And read through reviews and Q&A sections too. They'll tell you what customers love, what they hate, and what could be improved. Google Trends. Before you jump on any trend, search it on Google Trends. If interest is steadily climbing, that's a great sign. If you see a massive spike followed by a crash, it's probably a short-term fad. Compare similar products too. For example, search wireless handheld vacuum versus cordless mini vacuum. The one with the consistent search growth is the safer bet. TikTok and Instagram. You can search hashtags like hashtag TikTok made me buy it or hashtag Amazon finds. Look at videos with organic engagement, not just the paid ads, and see who's posting them and how people are reacting. If the comments are full of people asking, does it really work? Or I need this, that's a hot signal. Pinterest. Pinterest is actually an underrated search tool. It's like a visual trend map months before those ideas hit mainstream. Search for seasonal or niche keywords, spring decor ideas, pet gadgets, DIY storage. If a product keeps showing up in pins, that means users are saving it, and that usually translates to future demand. Using Zendrop's sourcing service. Now, if you find a great product outside the Zendrop catalog, don't worry. Zendrop actually has a sourcing service. You just submit a product link or photo and they'll find the same item or a better version through their network of suppliers and give you a quote. It's a great way to source unique or viral items that aren't yet in their catalog, negotiate better pricing on products you plan to scale, add custom branding or packaging for a more premium feel. Now, when submitting a sourcing request, be specific. Include reference links, target quantity, and any customization details like logo placement or packaging colors. The clearer your request, the better your results. So finding trending products doesn't have to feel like gambling anymore. Zendrop gives you real data from its catalog filters to its trending products tab. And when you combine that with smart validation on Amazon, Google Trends, TikTok, and Pinterest, you can find products that have staying power. The key is balance. Don't just chase what's hot. Look for products that make sense for your audience and brand. Test small, iterate fast, and double down when something clicks. Now, if you want to explore Zendrop for yourself or test some of the products we talked about today, then check out the links down below. These are affiliate links. They don't cost you anything extra, but they do help support the channel so we can keep making free videos like this. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Here on the channel, we're all about practical e-commerce strategies, real tips, real tools, and real results. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next one.